Oh, so okay. I didn't know what to name it, so I called it ELL for Easy Language Learning. Why not? And it's online, so if you want to try it, you can actually type this URL because I deployed it. And the fiber plane UI is the UI. So actually the URL is this one. Yeah, it's a bit small maybe. But what I wanted to do is translate things, but I want the explanation in German. I don't want the explanation in French or English. I want the explanation in German, but in easy German, because if I ask a normal dictionary, maybe it's too complicated, I don't know. So I can try. I don't know, whatever. So here it was really fast, because actually I stored the result already in the database. So if it's already in the database, I return it. Yeah, I have multiple things. So is it big enough? Yeah. So I have the word, the singular, the plural, the IPA, so the pronunciation. I still don't know what these mean, but sometimes they help. Only sometimes. Sometimes it's more like, what is that? No idea. The meaning with an example. And sometimes there are actually two meanings or more. And so I want also like, okay, give me the other meanings, because the first one is the most common meaning. I ask for okay, what's the most common meaning? And then I ask for other meanings, if there are any. The synonyms and the antonym, so yeah, if it exists. Here there's none. And I'm a bit surprised. It says there's no direct translation for French, but why not? So we can try with another word.
Lieblingskartoffelzubereitungsmethode.
It's too long to type. Shorter. Krankenhaus, okay. Okay. You go. Krankenhaus. Die. Krankenhaus plural, aber das. Like, the formatting could be better. Yeah. I was thinking about JSON formatting maybe in the backend, because I was like, okay, I go for no UI, so I don't need JSON. So here it goes. Ich besuche meinen Onkel im Krankenhaus. Ein Hospital, ein Krankenhaus. Yeah, Klinik. So that works. And if I ask for it again, it's instant because it's in D1. I can show maybe, yeah. Oh, one more thing, because I was thinking, yeah, I need this panel. I was thinking, okay, I can display, I mean, here you don't see it, but if I want to look at them again later, since I store them, I can also, this is not the best UI, let's be honest. But yeah, they are here.
Hey, I wrote this UI.
It's a great UI for data, but if I want to read my text here, it's a bit complicated. It's a bit complicated. But other than that, it's just not the right tool for the job here. That's great. And so the code is, yeah, I take an input. I look for this input in the database, if it exists already. Is it big enough? Maybe bigger. And there's this nice thing where if I, whatever, wrapping is somewhere in the options. So I look for it. I return it if it exists. If it doesn't exist, I need to ask for this. And I was going for the AI because it's just easier. I can type the text and I can optimize it. Even though sometimes I think it would be easier to ask a real translating tool that has maybe a more precise meaning and maybe add some stuff on top with AI would be maybe a better mix. But yeah, it does the job really pretty good. So why not? I just ask, okay, you do all of this in German with all the things. Nothing, I don't know, nothing special. And this is the system prompt. So it's, the role of the AI, and then the input as the user. The temperature, I just copy-pasted it. I have no idea if it changes anything if I change it. I guess it will. I didn't try it yet. And then I try to store it in the database. I didn't do any deduplication or anything. It just tries to insert it. And then, it returns the value. That's it.
I think that might be a nice combination with the German classes, like,